First of all, hey everybody, I'm John, Helicopter Express. I'm the Quality Assurance Inspector. Used to be the Chief Pilot. Helicopter Express is a government contractor that makes most of its living with things on the end of a line, so we're pretty experienced at suspended loads, including human external cargo and search and rescue. 90% of our business is Park Service and Forest Service, firefighting, search and rescue, that kind of thing, external load. We do some construction external load as well. All of our helicopters live with cargo hooks. If they didn't have them, we wouldn't be able to do our living.
Yep. So today you flew the operational prototype sling load LSS system. Can you talk about what you felt in the air through the 3 stages of progression with the system off and then turned on and then actively on at the time?
So the choreography was so that we made sure that I wasn't actually looking at the load vertical reference, so I made sure everybody could see I actually flew with my heads up. That would simulate somebody with a hoist operation, maybe at night with a crew chief, and basically tried to stay within the confines and the timing of the course reversals back to center, purposely making sure that I wasn't paying attention to the load but more feeling the helicopter. So on the phase 1, where we were going back and forth and finding our tempo and timing for the swing, we were able to see, and I felt what the load was like in a typical 50-foot swing fashion with the displacement. And you could really tell. I was seeing it in the mirror. I think we may have gotten out past 40, 45 degrees. I think the camera will tell. When we did those same maneuvers again with the load stabilized, the timing and the tempo felt a little different because the visual clues in the mirror of the line didn't have the same extreme angles of swing. And it was a lot less pulling on the helicopter, so I didn't know if I was actually doing what I was supposed to do until we did it a couple more times and I was using my visual clues. So it's noticeable just from a pilot perspective, even with the light load that we were carrying, and our load total was maybe, 45 pounds, 50
about
pounds?
100 including the
Okay, about 100. Yeah, which isn't a whole lot when you're considering the gross weight of that aircraft. And 100 pounds doesn't really act on the helicopter, but you can definitely feel the difference between it being stabilized and being unstabilized.
How do you see technology like this impacting the industry?
Well, I think technology like this is something that has needed to be infused into the industry for a long time. Specifically this, what I see is the ability to apply this to a mission that may otherwise be turned down because of the crew's inexperience with a really precision type load training, that they can still be able to go out and do with the crew members. It would definitely make the accuracy of missions that are normally fairly critical because of the rotor wash of a larger helicopter affecting loads that are lighter and smaller, especially towards like a moving ship or on a wall rescue where rotor wash would interfere with a load hitting it. Having something that's stabilized and what would you call it, unaccompanied load, like an empty litter, it seems like it's something that's been a long time coming.
Great. Well, thank you, John.
Oh yeah, you're
Excellent.
welcome. I had a lot of fun.
Yeah,
I appreciate
us
it.
too.
I appreciate the technology and you guys forward thinking.
Thank you. It was a blast. We look forward to our future collaboration.
Yeah, me too. Thanks. Thanks.